All right, guys, so we just walked over to the RCL mechanical shop. See the space? We just moved in here, guys, probably like a month and a half ago, so not everything's 100% set up yet, but we see we got the picnic tables out here. You got to take care of the people. Everybody wanted to come out and enjoy the sunshine.
Access granted.
Access granted. All the lights are on motion sensors, I think.
Except the ones up there, those are always on.
Those are always on. We got the little home gym action right here. We're missing a few pieces of equipment, but want to get it all set up. We got a shower going in right there. You can see the plumbing piping sticking out of the wall. We got to build a wall there, frame it in. But yeah, that way after you come out here, you sweat a little bit, you can get cleaned up.
Yeah.
Shout out to our buddy Alex Indeck, Cornwall Tools. Not the Cobalt ones. I don't know why those are there.
Look at that.
This jack's pretty sweet. Works well. It's fast. It actually lifts what it says it lifts. I forget what the capacity is, but we've had some big shit up with that.
Now guys, so for those of you who don't know, there are other things that go on outside of Dirt Exhibition. So for example, Rich has RCL Mechanical, and that's where we are right now.
Yep. Plumbing and HVAC company, baby. Right here in Raynham, Massachusetts.
For those of you who know where RCL Mechanical used to be, that's where we are right now. And it's only just across the parking lot from RCL Mechanical. So we have a nice little setup here where we can go back and forth. All right, guys, now you've seen on the Larkin Motors Foundation Raffle Razor the MTX Audio Thunder 5 kit. Let's adjust real quick right here. But we haven't really talked about it a whole lot. So we're gonna take time in this video to kind of show you guys the MTX audio kit and what it's about. It's the Thunder 5 audio kit for the Pro XP. So let's get into it.
So this kit is for a Polaris Razor Pro XP non-Ride Command edition. So we don't have the 7-inch display in this one, guys. We ended up using the MTX head unit that they provide. Nice unit, mounts right where that Ride Command unit would be. Gives you a lot of options, you know, if you want to add stuff in the future. It's very plug and play. Take a look at the pods in the back. You know, guys, similar to any pods, you know, you get them. A lot of kits nowadays come with the typical 2 pods you mount in somewhere on the cage. Some of the other kits, guys, now in the industry are coming with lights, but the MTX Thunder 5 was one of the first kits to actually have, you know, the RGB light-up speakers.
Yeah. And also, the pods did come with different kind of mounting brackets for the different diameters of cages. So if you're running a stock cage, then you can use that, or a cage like this ABF Fabrications cage for the Pro XP. The diameter is a little different, so you're going to be set no matter what cage you're running.
Yeah, 100%, guys. Like I said, we use the MTX head unit on this. Very similar to what some of the other guys are doing in the industry. The big thing with this MTX kit that we see, guys, versus some of the other manufacturers is the quality of the audio. So MTX has been around for a really long time. I'm pretty sure they were one of the first manufacturers to start getting into the UTV market. And I'll be honest with you, you know, they kind of broke the mold initially. It was good stuff, but some of the other competitors came out and started offering more bang for the buck. Better kits, better sounding kits, harder hitting kits. So, you know, we've used a couple different brands, a couple different manufacturers, but when MTX kind of revamped that line and launched like the Thunder series kit with the RGB, it's night and day difference, guys, in the quality of the audio. I mean, this kit slams, and it sounds phenomenal the entire time, you know? So I would say that this kit, this MTX kit, compared to like some of the other manufacturers' Gen 1 kits, I mean, this thing blows them out of the water, you know? We don't have a ton of experience with, like, say, the Rockford Fosgate Gen 2 stuff. I haven't really installed it yet, but again, this MTX stuff compared to the original Rockford stuff blows it out of the water. It's night and day.
And guys, keep in mind, this is our second kit that we've installed. If you remember back to Project 144, Connor's machine, we installed a MTX audio kit into that Razor as well. Super impressed with that kit. as well as this one.
Yeah, guys, I mean, really, you know, after we installed that kit on Connor's machine, that's what sold it for us. You know, again, we've dealt with MTX before. We kind of got away from it for a little while, and then they launched that new kit, and they said, hey, you really should check this thing out. It's a really good kit, and we installed it on Connor's machine, and I think that's what we're going to be using moving forward, guys, because, again, this Pro XP absolutely slams. Alright guys, so again, we pulled the machine out, let you guys take a peek at these the speakers, check out the head unit, and more importantly, we want to try to show you guys a subwoofer. So again guys, this subwoofer absolutely slams. It hits hard, it's solid. You know, if there was one thing that we'd have to say that we wish that MTX did was, we wish that they gave you a grill guard for that subwoofer, because underneath the dash, guys, that thing's just exposed. So again, you're probably not going to see a whole lot of dust or debris under there, but you know, some guys, knees, trying to stuff gear under the seat, we just wouldn't want to see a situation where you're trying to put your backpack or something in there and it's pressing up against that subwoofer. I mean, aside from that, guys, I really don't have anything negative to say about the kit. Like I said, it sounds awesome. I mean, the head unit works great. You know, you've seen this head unit with other manufacturers. Very similar setup. I mean, it does the job. It stays connected to your phone. You know, I know nowadays in the world of Bluetooth, some stuff can have, you know, technical issues where you got a device that's connecting, reconnecting, always having issues. But every time we turn this thing on, guys, that head unit picks up my phone, it connects, and no issues. So if you guys are in the market, you're thinking about getting some audio for your machine, definitely go to MTX's website and see what they offer for your particular machine, because if you, dude, money spent on this kit, it sounds way better than anything else. You're definitely going to be impressed. You're going to want to pick this kit up, guys. So up front on this kit, they're going to give you new replacement 6.5-inch speakers that fit right into the factory spot where your paper Rockfords would fit. They give you a little MTX emblem here, guys, for the grill cover, just so you guys know what we're rocking. Super easy to install. They also give you replacement tweeters. So again, guys, these tweeters look like they're pretty high quality. The kit sounds amazing. I really, like I said, I can't say it enough. The audio quality is just second to none. We installed this MTX Thunder 5 audio kit on this razor that we built with the Larkin Motors Foundation. Guys, if you don't know, we built this machine with the idea that we're going to raffle it off, raise money for veterans. So check us out, guys. Head over to Larkin Motors Foundation, see what they do. Veteran vehicle repairs, guys. You'll find a link there where you can purchase tickets, so you actually have a chance to win this machine. The drawing is just in a few weeks, guys, end of September, beginning of October. So if you haven't already got your tickets, get over there, get them now. As always, guys, if you like the videos, if you like the reviews, you like to see the stuff we're doing, we really appreciate it if you head on over to our YouTube channel, hit subscribe, guys. Follow us on Instagram so you can stay up to date with this project and all the other ones we got coming up in the future. And don't forget either, guys, we're here right now. We're getting the shop set up. We're going to be getting geared up over the next month and a half, doing things like custom cage builds, lift kits, all that stuff we're going to be doing right here in-house. So if you guys are looking to have anything done to your machine, if you like this MTX Thunder 5 audio kit and you want to pick it up through us, we can install it for you. So again, keep your eyes on the channel, guys. All kinds of cool stuff coming up, and we'll see you on the next one.